To use horse armor in Minecraft on the PS5, you first need to obtain a horse and some armor. You can find horses in plains biomes and you can tame them by feeding them and then riding them until they no longer buck you off. Once you have tamed a horse, you can put armor on it to protect it from damage. To put armor on a horse, you need to open the horse's inventory by sneaking and then interacting with the horse. You can do this by pressing the R2 button on your controller. This will open up a menu with 2 slots for armor and 1 slot for a saddle. To equip the horse with armor, simply place the armor in one of the 2 available slots. There are several types of horse armor, including leather, gold, iron, and diamond. Each type of armor provides a different amount of protection, with diamond armor being the most protective. When choosing armor for your horse, consider the type of activities you will be doing with the horse. If you plan on exploring caves or fighting mobs, you will want to use the most protective armor available. On the other hand, if you are just riding around in a safe area, leather armor may be sufficient. It is also important to note that horse armor can be enchanted just like regular armor. This can provide additional benefits such as increased protection or improved mobility. To enchant horse armor, you will need to use an enchanting table and some experience points. Overall, using horse armor in Minecraft on the PS5 is a great way to protect your horse and make it more useful in the game. By following these steps and choosing the right armor for your horse, you can keep it safe and have a better gaming experience.